you cry, but when I die, just box me up. I need no headstone, no names, no titles. I'm a piece of shit to be forgotten. Anyway.